Good morning everyone. So this is the second lecture of set theory or the set topic. So in the last class we have seen the theory part and some MCQs on the sets topic. Now here we are going to see remaining MCQs or the questions of this topic. Okay. So let us continue with the question here. Okay. So what is the question here? Let A and B be two sets such that n of A is 0.16, n of B is 0.14 and n of A union B is equals to 0.25. Then n of A intersection B is equal to. Okay, so I think so the options are this 0.3, 0.5, 0.05 and none of the above. Okay, so here I think there is no difficulty at all for this because n of A, n of B and n of A union B is given. Okay, so I think you know now what is the formula for that. Which formula we have to use? That is the cardinality formula. Cardinality formula. Okay, so what is that formula? Okay, so this formula is, okay, what is that? N of A intersection B is equals to n of A intersection B is equal to, okay, or let me write this here itself. N of A intersection B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. This is the formula. Okay, yes, I think some of the students are giving the answer C. Okay, let us see what will get it. Put the values here. N of A, how much? 0.16. N of B, 0.14. Okay, and minus n of A union B is 0.25. So you have to add it and subtract. Okay, so how much it will be? 0.16 plus 0.14. I think this is 0.30 minus 0.25. Do the subtraction of this. Okay, do the subtraction of this. How much it will be? Okay, so 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 3 will be 0. So I think answer is 0.05. Answer is 0.05. So be careful while doing the addition or subtraction of the decimal numbers. Okay, so option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay, so here we have applied the formula of cardinality directly. Okay, so you just note down this. Okay, let us go with next question. Next question we'll see. Okay, see this next question. If n of A is 4, n of B is 3, n of A cross B cross C, okay, is equals to 24, then what is the value of n of C? Then what is the value of n of C? So for this there is a formula. For this also there is a formula. Okay, see now whenever I give the solutions, I write some of the standard results. You have to note it. Okay, you have to note it. Okay, just simply don't watch the video. Okay, so here formula for n of A cross B cross C is equals to, okay, so what is the formula is? That is n of A into n of B, or you can say cross B cross n of C. Okay, so put the values now. What is n of A cross B cross C? It is 24. It is 24. Okay, or you just put the values and try to find the answer. Okay, n of A is 4 into n of B is 3 into n of C you have to find. N of C you have to find it. Okay, So this is 24 is equals to, this is 12 into or 12 cross or into n of c. Now, so 12 is multiplying here, transfer to this side, it will divide. So 24 upon 12 is equals to n of c. So therefore n of c is equals to how much? That is 2. N of c is 2. Okay, just see, do we have that option there? Okay, I think option is not there. I think there is a mistake, printing mistake in the option C. Printing mistake is there in the option C. Okay, because when you divide it, you will get the answer is 2. I think this should be 2. I think I have made it 12. It should be what? 2. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option C is correct. So this is 2. Okay, so here which formula you have to remember? That is n of a into b into c can be written as n of a into n of b into n of c. Okay, next. Yes, next question number 12. So what is this question number 12 now? Just see here. If n of a is 3, n of b is 6 and a is a subset of b, a is a subset of b, then the number of elements in a union b is equal to, the number of elements in a union b is equal to. So for this you have to remember the properties, you have to remember the properties which we have seen into the first class. Okay, so what is that property? See what they have given. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Okay. Now A is a subset of B. Then what is the value of A union B? Now A is a subset of B. It means what? B is the largest set, or you can say superset. Okay. B is the largest set or superset. Means what? A is contained in B. So therefore B is the largest one. Okay. So when you take union of this A union B, so A union B means what? The whole set you will get. Then whole set means what? It is the largest set. That is what? B. That is what? B. So therefore n of A union B is equals to what? N of B is equals to what? N of B, and which is equals to, so what is n of B here? That is 6. That is 6. So again option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Okay. So see, simply this property is applicable. Okay. If you don't know the properties, then you are not going to be able to answer this question. Okay. Yes, we'll see the next question. Okay, see the next question now. A survey shows that 63% of Americans like cheese, whereas 76% like apples. If X% of the Americans like both cheese and apples, then what is the answer of X? X is 39, X is 63, or 39 is less than equals to X, less than equals to 63, or D is none of the above. Okay, so that you have to check it now. Okay, so that survey shows that number of peoples in percentage, number of people they have given in percentage. Okay, so what we'll assume here, let us assume that there are 100 peoples. There are 100 peoples. Why we have taken this as 100? Because see, the number which is given, the Americans like cheese and the apples, it is given in the form of what? Percentage. So we will consider the total peoples are How many? 100. Total peoples are 100. Okay. Now let us denote this cheese with C variable and apples. Okay. Let us take with A variable. Okay. Then note down the things now. So what they have said, a survey shows that 63% of the Americans like cheese. Okay. So therefore here n of C is equals to 63. Okay. And next 76% people like apples. So it is n of A will be how much? 76. Then see, if X% of the American like both cheese and apples, so X% people like both cheese and apple, that is what? N of C intersection A, both means intersection, is equals to X, then you have to find out the value of X here. So let us write the formula. N of C intersection A is equals to N of A plus N of C minus N of C union A. So this is X is equals to 63 plus 76 minus N of C union A. Okay. So X is equals to how much it will be? This is 9. 139 minus N of C union A. Okay. So this result I got it. X is equals to this result we got it. But what is given in the question? Total how many peoples are there? Total 100 peoples are there. How many? Total 100 peoples are there. Now 100 peoples are there means what? Total are 100. Total means what? You have to take union. Okay. So therefore what is given? N of C union A is less than or equal to 100. So here you might be thinking, why I have taken less than or equal to? See, total people are 100. So therefore you are not going to cross the limit of 100. Whatever you are going to take 100 or less than that. Okay. So therefore less than equals to 100 here. So for this, okay. Now if you remember the first year linear inequality concept, in that some rules are there. With the help of that rules, the further part we are going to simplify. Okay. So see here, what I can do here, I will multiply both the sides by negative sign. So whenever we multiply negative quantity on both the sides, so inequality changes. Okay, this is the rule from the linear inequality chapter. Okay, so now here inequality is what? Less than or equal to. But this is now it becomes what? Greater than or equals to. It becomes what? Greater than or equals to. In this now next again, as per the rule of linear inequality topic, what I will do here, I will add 139 on both the sides. 139 on both the sides. So 139 minus N of C union A greater than equals to, that is 139 minus 100. Okay. So in the linear inequality chapter, what it says, whenever you multiply any negative quantity or when you divide any negative quantity, then only there will be the change in the inequality, otherwise no. Okay. Now see here, I have added plus 139 on both the sides, but there is no change in the inequality, just keep in mind. Okay. So here this 139 minus N of C union A greater than equals to 139 minus 100 is how much? 39. Okay. So see here, so this 139 minus N of C union A, 139 minus N of C union A, so this is going to be replaced with what? 39. With what? 39. So therefore I will write here, where should I write? Here I will write X is greater than equals to 39. X is greater than equals to 39, or this can be written as 39 is less than equals to X. Let us give this as equation 1. okay, or give that equation 1, okay, but still your solution is not over, okay, still we have to simplify. Next part, what we can do here, see, we know one more result. C intersection A is a subset of A, and C intersection A is also the subset of C. This property I told you, no, intersection it is. C intersection A is a subset of A, C intersection A is also the subset of C, okay. Then if I apply n of C intersection A, n of C intersection A is subset of what? Is subset of what? Or simply you can write is less than equals to what? N of A. And here n of C intersection A less than equals to what? N of C. N of C. Okay. Now I hope you have written this upper part. So let me rub this. Okay. See here now. So using this property, what I got? N of C intersection A less than equals to n of A. N of C intersection A less than equals to n of C. So here you know the n of C value. N of C value. Okay. So how much it is? N of okay. Let me put here n of C intersection A less than equals to n of C intersection A less than or equals to, this is 76, correct? No, A value is I think A value is how much it is? The survey shows that 63% of the Americans like cheese. A value is 76, correct it is. Whereas n of C intersection A less than equals to how much? 63. Less than equals to 63. Okay. Then see, this is your equation 1. This is your equation 1. So for n of C intersection A less than equals to 63, less than equals to 63, for this you have to take the result second. So I will write, see, now first result is what? That is 39 is less than equals to x. This is your first result. This is your first result. Okay. And another second result is what? Second result is what I got? N of C intersection A is less than equals to what? 63. Okay. So this is from 1 and 2. This N of C intersection A means what? This is x only. X is less than equals to 63. So therefore from result 1 and 2 what I will get? This 39 less than equals to x less than equals to 63. 39 less than equals to x less than equals to 63. So therefore I think option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Okay. See, solution you just try to understand. Okay. Maybe it is a MCQ question, but we need to simplify. The maximum part I have simplified here. Okay. So for this example there was not a shortcut method, but still by applying some properties here I have tried to reduce it. Okay. So therefore option C is correct in this problem. Okay. So you can just note down this solution. Okay. Yes, next question. Next question. If A and B are the two sets such that n of A is 22, n of B is 37, then maximum number of elements present in A intersection B. Then you have to find out the maximum number of elements present in A intersection B. So for this also there are some standard results are there. Okay. Or what you can say, the formula is there. What is that? See, maximum number of elements in what? A intersection B is equals to, formula is minimum of n of A comma n of B. What is that formula? Minimum of n of A comma n of B. Because intersection means what? Intersection means always minimum, and union means what? Union means maximum. Okay, so therefore so here you have to put the values now. So minimum of n of A is how much? 22. N of B is how much? 37. Now among this 22 and 37 you have to find the minimum value. So which is the minimum value among this? It is 22. It is what? 22. So which option is correct in this? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. Okay, let us take one more similar type example. Similar type example, but for union now. A and B are the two sets such that n of A is 25, n of B is 15. Then find the maximum number of elements in A union B. Okay, find the maximum number of elements in A union B. So for this also there is again formula. Okay, how to write that formula? Maximum number of elements in A union B, okay, is equals to the formula is n of A plus n of B. Okay, see the difference, see the difference in the while finding the maximum number of elements in A intersection B, formula is what? Minimum of n of A and n of B. Whereas when you finding the maximum number of elements in A union B, that time the formula becomes what? N of A plus n of B. So it will be how much then? N of A is 25 plus 15. So the answer is 20, 30, 40. Okay, answer is 40. Okay, so see which option? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, remember this formulas. Okay, so this type of questions are also asked in the your CET exam. Means already asked these questions in the exam. Okay, okay, note down this formulas. Okay, we'll see next question. So even this question is also asked in CET examination. I think mostly 2014. I think so. 2014. Okay. What is this question? Write the set builder form of A is equals to -1, 1. Okay. So your A set is given in which form? It is in roster form. So you have to write its set builder form, means obviously the statement form. So you have to go on checking these options whether each option gives these elements or no. Okay. Now see, A is equals to set of first option, set of all x such that x is a real number. X is a real number. No doubt in the set A -1 and 1 are real number, no doubt. But see, what is the set here? X is a real number. Now, x is a real number means what? It is from -infinity to +infinity. -infinity to +infinity. Those are your real numbers. Okay, means in that it will come -9, -1, 0 it will come, 1 will come, 9 will come, and so on. Okay, but in that how many elements are there? Only 2 elements are there. So therefore option A is not correct. Option A is not correct. Okay. Check about option B. What is that option B here? Set of all x such that x is an integer. Now again integer means what? That is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and so on. But again if you observe here, is there any end to that set? No. Okay. In this only 2 elements are there, but this is infinite set. So B option also not correct. What about option C? X is the root of the equation x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this x square plus 1 is equals to 0 is what? X square is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to plus or minus root of minus 1, and this type of equation already have simplified into the last class. So plus or minus root of minus 1 gives which type of value? It is a imaginary value. It is a imaginary value. So in the set A, imaginary value is not present only. So therefore option C also incorrect. Okay. Now left option is D. So you must have option D should be correct. But let us take the justification for that also. Okay. A is equals to set of all x such that x is the root of the equation x square is equals to 1. X square is equals to 1. Then x is equals to what? Plus or minus root of 1. Then x is equals to what? Plus or minus 1. So minus 1 is there, plus 1 is there. So minus 1 plus 1. So therefore option D is correct. Okay. See, whenever if you are confused, that time what you have to do it, you have to go on checking with each option. Okay. So that will give the clarification of the answer. Suppose 4 options are there. If 3 are not correct, then obviously the fourth one will be what? Correct one. Okay. But for that you need to check all the 4 options. Okay. Yes, we will see next question. Okay. See this next question. Which of the following is true statement? Which of the following is true statement? See, this type of question, it is already there in your exercises also in the first year sets. Okay. So let us see which the following statement is true here. So can you guess any answers? Okay, do you have any answers here? Guess the answer. First one is that A belongs to ABC. A is a subset of ABC. Phi belongs to ABC, and none of the above. And none of the above. Okay. Then see which option is going to be correct. Okay, let us verify. First option is what here? This A belongs to ABC. Okay. Second, A is a subset of ABC. And C, phi is belongs to ABC. D option is none of the above. Let us check first whether among these 3 any option is correct or no. Go with this one. Phi belongs to ABC. Is it correct? No, because this is the empty set. So empty set is not the element of or the member of what? This ABC. Okay. So therefore this is a wrong statement or false statement. Here element A is a subset of ABC, but see here this element A is the member of ABC but not the subset of ABC, Okay. Member means what? It is the, now see, you are the member of your family, like that. So this A is the member of this ABC but not the subset of ABC. Now see, you got confused now here. See, in this in this case, if I write this same thing like this now, I'll write it here. If I write like this, okay, set A, now this is going to be correct. But at present, this is the member of that set, not this subset. So therefore, this is also wrong. Okay. Then see this option. So this A belongs to ABC. Now just now I said this is the member of this set. So therefore belongs to this set. So So therefore this one is correct statement. This one is correct statement. So which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. So this is somewhat confusion part. So don't get confused here. Okay. So yes. So option B is not correct. Okay. I have given the justification. Why? This is the member of this set, but not the subset. If you want to say this is the subset of this, then you must have like this. See, I have written here. Set A is a subset of A, B, C. This is going to be a subset, but this is not going to be a subset here. Okay. So that's why the option A is correct here. Okay. See the next question. Yes, a class has 175 students. A class has 175 students. The following data shows the number of students obtaining one or more subjects. Number of students obtaining one or more subjects. Mathematics 100, Physics 70, Chemistry 40, Mathematics and Physics 30, Mathematics and Chemistry 28, Physics and Chemistry 23, Mathematics, Physics and Chemistry will be 18. Then how many students have offered mathematics alone? Then how many students have offered mathematics alone? Okay. Now first of all you just go on writing the given things. First of all you go on writing the given things. Okay. See, as usual we'll assume that mathematics as M, physics as P, chemistry as C. Okay. So here N of M, mathematics, how much? 100. Okay. N of P, physics, 70. N of C, chemistry, that is how much? 40. Now mathematics and physics, and means intersection. So mathematics and physics means intersection. How much it is? 30. Okay. Then mathematics and chemistry. Mathematics and chemistry, how much it is? 28. Another physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry are how many? 23. 23. And last one you see, mathematics, physics and chemistry will be 18. Means you have to take the intersection of all the three. Mathematics intersection physics intersection chemistry will be how much? 18. Will be how much? 18. Then you have to find the answer of what? Number of students have offered mathematics alone, means mathematics only. Mathematics only. So in the yesterday's theory class, okay, I had given the Venn diagram representation as well as the formula also for, see, there was the three sets. Okay, then I had given this is A only, B only, C only. Okay, I hope you remember that formulas. Okay, so among that you have to use the one formula. Okay, so I will write, it is what? M only. So formula is N of M only. How to write that formula? Okay, if you remember, that is N of M minus N of M intersection P. Okay, M intersection P minus N of M intersection C. Okay, plus N of M intersection N intersection M intersection P intersection C. This is your formula. Okay, so that formula you have to use it. Okay, so let us put the values now. N of M, how much? 100. minus 30 minus how much 28 plus how much 18. So this will be, this is 118 minus 30 minus 28, it is minus 58. Okay, so do the subtraction of this. Okay, 118 minus 58, 0. I think option is which? 118 minus 58 is 60, is 60. So the students have offered mathematics alone are how many? 60 students. Are how many? 60 students. Okay, so that answer is calculated here. So you need to remember the formulas. You need to remember the formulas. Okay, so you can just note this solution. Okay. Okay, we'll see next question. Okay, I think next question you can answer it. Okay, so I need the answers from your side only. I'm not going to simplify this. Okay, see, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equals to 2, 4, 6, C is equals to 3, 4, 6, then find A union B intersection C. Okay, it is a simple question. Okay, try to simplify and just please put your answer in the comment box. I think within 1 minute you can simplify this. Okay, simplify and tell. Yes, do it fast. Yes, we are getting the answers here. Answer A, I got it in the comment box. Yes, anyone again? Fast. Again A. Yes. Yes, do it fast. Yeah, again A only I am getting, means option A should be correct. Okay, I think option A is correct. That is, your answer is correct here. Okay, see A union B. What is A union B here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your A union B. Intersection C. C is what here? 3, 4, 6. So intersection means common element. So among this, what is the common? 3, 4, 6 only. Yes, so option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. Yes, let us go with next question. Okay, what is that question is? If A is equals to, set A is equals to x, y, then the power set of A is, then the power set of A is. Now first you should know what is meant by power set, and that I have defined into the last class. Power set is what? It is the collection of all the subsets. Collection of all the subsets. I think now you can answer it very easily. Okay, try to answer. Power set is what? It is a collection of all the subsets. Okay, yes, very good, you are giving the answers. That is option D. Okay, see, you can answer it when you know the definition of power set, otherwise it is not possible. So that's why you have to remember all the things here. Okay, yeah, so you can write the subsets of this, or I had given a shortcut formula for that. What is that formula? P of A is equals to 2 to the power n. Here n represents number of elements. Okay, so here how many elements are there? 2 are there. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. Means in the power set you will get 4 subsets. So if you go through the options, option A only 2 sets are there. So it is wrong. Option B, 3 are there, wrong. Option C, 3 are there, again wrong. Option D, all 4 are there. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, and anyhow option A and option B, they are wrong only. They are not in the form of subsets. They are not in the form of subsets. Okay, then there will be the confusion between C and D. But in the option C, we are having only 3 elements. But as per the power set, it should be how many? 4. So therefore option D is correct here. Okay. Okay, see the next question. If A and B are 2 sets, then A intersection B minus A is might be I had given this property. Okay, let us try to answer this. A and B are the 2 sets. A and B are the 2 sets. Then you have to find A intersection B minus A. Yes, any guessing for this answer? Here that set A or set B, nothing is given. Okay, but you need to answer this. How you are going to take this? A intersection B minus A. Okay, see here, A intersection B minus A. I'll keep this A intersection as it is. A intersection as it is. Okay, B minus A, you should know this. Yes, answer A is correct. Correct, it is. B minus A means what? This is the subtraction. This is the subtraction. How to take the subtraction? The number of elements present in the set B, okay, which are not present in the set A, which are not present in the set A. Elements present in the set B which are not present in the set A. So when you do the subtraction of this, you may get the answer is B, because elements present in B should not be present in A. So if elements present in B not present in A, it means again the set B only. Difference is B only. Okay, but A and B are the 2 sets. Okay, we don't know, they are different sets. So therefore their intersection will be what? Empty. Their intersection will be what? Empty, because there is no common elements among them. So therefore option A is correct. That is 5. That is 5. Okay, see the next question. See the next question now. Okay, what is this question here? If F1 be the set of parallelograms, F2 be the set of rectangles, F3 be the set of squares, F4 be the set of rhombus, and F5 be the set of trapezium in a plane. In a plane, then F1 may be. Then F1 may be. F1 is what? Parallelogram. Then parallelogram may be. Okay. Options are F1 intersection F2, F3 intersection F4, F2 union F5, and option D is F2 union, F3 union, F4 union, F5. Okay. So what or which option is going to be correct in this? Read the question once again and try to understanding or answering this question. Yes. See, F1 is a set of parallelograms. So in the F1 there are having set of parallelograms. F2 is contain set of rectangles, F3 set of squares, F4 set of rhombus, and F5 set of trapezium. Okay. Now if you observe here, then what they ask, what will be the F1 relation? What will be the F1 relation. If you see in this, don't bother about this F1, think about F2, F3, F4 and F5. Okay, what you observe there, clearly you can see what you can see here. Each one of them, what the elements of each one of them are the elements of what? F1. Each one of them are the elements of F1. How come? Okay, how it is? See now, this F2 or F3 or F4 and F5, I will say that it represents parallelogram. It represents parallelogram because all this, whatever that F2, F3, F4 and F5, these all the figures are what? All the figures are what? These are the quadrilaterals. These are the quadrilaterals which satisfies the property of rectangle. So therefore, what is the option is correct? So this F1 is what? F2 union, F3 union, F4 union, F5. Okay, so option D is going to be correct in this. Why? Because reason is what I said. Each one of the elements of F2, F3, F4 and F5, okay, represents parallelogram. So therefore, if you combine this also, again it represents what? Parallelogram only. Okay, so therefore F1 is equals to F2 union F3 union F4 union F5. So option D is correct here. Option D is correct. Okay, see next 23 question number. So this question is asked in 2017. Okay, if A and B are finite sets, and A is a subset of B and A is a subset of B, then which option among this is going to be correct? Which option among them is going to be correct? So let us write this. Here A is what? Subset of B. Then let me write now A union B and A intersection B. Okay. If A is a subset of B, means what? B is the superset. So therefore A union B is what? B. What is A intersection B then? A intersection B means common. So therefore minimum you have to take. So common is what? Set A. See, A is a subset of B, means B is the largest one, A is the smaller one. So when you take the intersection means what? Minimum, that is smallest one. So in this smallest one is which one? A. So therefore A intersection B is what? A. Apply the number of elements property. So n of A union B is equals to n of B. Apply here n of A intersection B is equals to n of A. So these two results we got it. Here. So just see among these two results which result is present in the option. N of A union B is equals to n of B. I think here option B is correct. Okay. This we don't have, I think so. N of A intersection B is equals to n of A. I think it is n of B. So that is not there. So this result is there. So option B is correct. Option B is correct here. Okay. See, such a simple question they asked in the examination. Yes, let us take the next question. So this question is asked in 2014, okay, in the Karnataka CET examination. Okay, so let us see. In a class of 60 students, 25 students play cricket, and 20 students play tennis. and 10 students play both the games, then the number of students who play neither is, neither means what, neither playing cricket nor tennis, that answer you have to calculate. Okay, so try to simplify this. First of all, you write the given things, okay, and then you simplify. So whenever the question is of neither, you remember that, and I think I told you in the first class, whenever the question of neither, always the De Morgan's property is useful. De Morgan's law property is useful. Okay, so let us calculate. First C, 25 students play cricket. So for cricket I will take C, so that is 25. Tennis I'll take T. How many? 10. 10 no? No, 20 students are playing tennis and 10 students are playing both the games, that is N of C intersection T is how much? 10. Then these three things are known to you. I think we can find N of C union T. Formula N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. N of C is 25 plus 20 minus 10. This is 45 minus 10. Answer is 35. Answer is 35. But this is your not the answer. This is not your answer. Okay. What is the question they have asked? Neither they have asked. Neither. Okay. Maybe this 35 also present in the option, but that is not your answer. Question is what? You have to find the students they are playing neither cricket nor tennis. That answer you have to find. And neither and nor means what I said, always it is De Morgan's property is useful. De Morgan's property is useful. Then some of the students what they do, they calculate the answer. 35 answer is got it, and that 35 is present in the option, so you correct the option. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully and answer it. Okay, so what is this? N of C dash intersection T dash, it can be written as N of C union T whole dash, so which is equals to so this is transpose law. What is the transpose? Not transpose, you can say complement. How to find A dash? That is U minus A. U minus A means universal set minus that set. So here N of C union T whole dash can be written as N of C that is N of U minus N of C union T. Okay, how we find A dash? That is U minus A. So like that, N of C union T whole dash can be written as N of U minus C union T. Now here N of U means what? Total number of students present in the class. Total number of students present in the class. How many? That is 60 minus N of C union T. This answer you know it. How much? 35. 35. Now you just do the subtraction of this 60 minus 35. This is 10. This is 2. I think how much? 25. 25. So option which one is correct? Option D is correct. Option D is correct here. Okay. Yes, so you just note down this. Okay, let us see the next question. Next question. Two finite sets have m and n elements. Two finite sets have m and n elements. The number of subsets of the first set is 112 more than that of the second set. More than that of the second set, then the value of this ordered pair mn, then value of m and n, you have to find it. Okay, see here, there are two finite sets have how many elements? M and N elements. Condition is what? See, the number of subsets of the first set is 112 more than the second set. Okay, now see, I'll read it once again. The number of subsets of first set. Okay, how many elements are present in the first set? M elements. Okay, then what are the number of subsets of the first set then? How much? 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. See, first set is having m elements, second set is having n elements. First set m elements, second set n elements. Suppose you want to find now subsets of first set, then we have the formula, no, 2 to the power n formula. But here in the place of n, how many elements are there? M elements are there. So therefore I have written 2 to the power m. But this 2 to the power m is equals to, what they have given? First set is equal to 112 more than the second. 112 more than means what? Addition. More than means what? Addition. So therefore it will be how much? 112 plus 2 to the power n. 112 plus 2 to the power n. Okay. Now again this 2 to the power n, why? Because again that also what? Subsets only we have taken. Now this plus 2 to the power n transfer here. So it is 2 to the power m minus 2 to the power n is equals to 112. So from this I take out 2 to the power n is common. 2 to the power n is common. What is left? 2 to the power m minus n minus 1 is equals to 112. I hope you know this, how to take out the common. Okay. Now let me write one simple question. Actually 2 to the power m minus 2 to the power n. Actually there is no common at all, but forcibly I have taken 2 to the power n is common. If I take common from this, means what? For this 2 to the power m, 2 to the power n will divide. Taking common means what? We are dividing. So this you have to shift to the numerator. So when you shift it to the numerator, it becomes what? 2 to the power minus n. Bases are same, so it is added. So therefore it is m minus n. M minus n. Okay, that you have to remember. Law of indices concept. Now this 2 to the power n as it is, 2 to the power m minus n as it is, minus 1, which is equals to, so this 112, how we can write this? In the form of 2 to the power. See, we can write like this. I think we can write like this. 2 to the power 4 into 7. 2 to the power 4 into 7. Now 2 to the power 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 into 7. Check it how much? This is 42. 7 and the 7 plus 4. It is 11. So 16 into 7 is 112. So this 2 to the power 4 into 7 is what? 12 only. But this 112 I have written in the form of what? 2 to the power 4 into 7. Now see, left hand side is also in the form of product, right hand side also in the form of product. So you equate, this is equals to this and this one is equals to this, you have to equate. Then what I will get? 2 to the power n is equals to 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power m minus n is m minus n minus 1 is equals to 7. Okay. Now see, bases are same, in between equal sign is there. So therefore equate their powers. So here n is equals to 4. N is equals to 4 here. Okay, n is equals to 4. Now this n value you put in this one. You put in this one. Okay. So here 2 to the power m minus 4. And this minus 1 transfer to that side, it becomes plus 1. So it is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is 2 to the power m minus 4 is equals to 8 can be written as 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now see, again bases are same. equate their powers. So m minus 4 is equals to 3, or m is equals to 3 plus 4, m is equals to 7, m is equals to 7. Okay, so m value is 7, n value is 4. Which option is correct here? Which option is correct? That is option B is correct. M is 7, n is 4. So 7, 4. Option B is correct here. Option B is correct here. Okay. So you just note down this problem or solution. Okay. Okay, I will take one more question. Okay, it's fine. So I don't have the typed question it is, okay, but it is a short. I'll write it. Just see, if AN is the set of first n primes, then union of I is equals to 1 to 10, AN is equals to, okay. Options are option A, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Option B, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay. Option C, 3, 5, and option D, 2, 3. Okay. What is the question here? If AN is a set of the first n primes, means that set AN contains which numbers? Prime numbers it contains. Then union of I is equals to 1 to 10, AN is equals to. So then what is the set of this AN? That set you have to write it. So if you observe in this, option A is also prime number, option B is also prime numbers, option C also prime numbers, option D is also prime numbers. Then how you are going to correct the option in this? Okay, see, it's very simple. What is given? Union of I is equals to 1 to 10. Union it is. So previously I told you intersection means what? Minimum. And union means what? Maximum. Okay. So therefore I'll write it here. See, union of I is equals to 1 to 10, which is equals to, AN is equals to maximum of how much? 1 and 10. Maximum of 1 and 10. So what is the maximum of 1 and 10? It is 10. Maximum of 1 and 10 is what? 10. Means that set AN contains how many elements? 10 elements. You can see now, option C is not there, option D is not there, option A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 elements are there. Option A is also not correct. Then which option is correct? Option B is correct. You can count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements are there. So option B is correct here. Okay. Okay, let me take next question. You just note down this question. Okay, see the next question. Let R be the set of points. Let R be the set of points inside a rectangle. Inside a rectangle. Of side A and B. A and B, and that AB is greater than 1. AB is greater than 1. Okay. With two sides along the positive direction of x-axis and y-axis, then okay, options are: option A, R is equals to the set of all xy such that 0 less than equals to x less than equals to A, 0 less than equals to y less than equals to B. Option B, R is equals to set of all xy such that 0 less than equals to x less than A, 0 less than equals to y less than equals to B. Option C, R is equals to set of all xy such that 0 less than equals to x less than equals to A, here 0 less than y less than B. And option D, R is equals to set of all xy such that 0 less than x less than A, 0 less than y less than B. Okay, I'll read the question. See, let R be the set of points. Okay, R is a one set which contains what? Points. Which contains what? Points inside a rectangle. Inside a rectangle of side A and B. Of side A and B. With two sides along the positive direction of x-axis and y-axis. Then what will be that set R? What will be that set R? Okay, after reading the question, maybe this question give the confusion, but it's actually a very simple concept is used to correct the answer among this. Okay, so in this one word is used, the points inside. Okay, so here points inside, that inside word only play the role. Okay, see, whenever the point is inside, then your inequality is only less than. Point is inside. Okay, see here, inside means less than. Okay, if it is less than or equal to means on that curve. Okay, on that curve, on the line, then less than or equal to, then greater than means as usual outside. Greater than means what? As usual outside. So here which word is used? The points inside a rectangle. So means what? Less than. So less than means, so which option is going to be correct? In the first, both are less than equals to, not correct. In this, here only we are having less than, but again it is less than or equal to. In this, only for y I am having less than, but for x less than equals to. But in the option D, if you see, x also lies inside, as well as y also lies inside, because having only less than. So therefore option D is correct here. Option D is correct here. Okay. So these are some examples we have discussed of the topic sets, okay. So I hope that you understood these concepts. Actually for every question some different concepts will be useful, okay. Just thing is that if you are studying or if you are preparing for that, go with the theory part perfectly, okay. Understood? Okay. Yes, so here we will stop. In the next class we will see the next topic, okay. Yes, thank you.